You don't always need pro things, and with the free version of Breakdance, you can create professional-looking websites with no hassle. Hi, I'm JB. This is Websites for Beginners, and welcome to our video document series on Learn Breakdance for WordPress. Apart from the series, you can also learn more from our complete courses for Breakdance, taking you from a beginner to a master of multi-page sites, blogging, and WooCommerce. Link in the description. I have my WordPress ready and I want to install Breakdance free so I can begin building. Unlike many other plugins where you go to Plugins, Add Plugin, and search for the plugin here and find it within the WordPress repository, the Breakdance plugins will not appear here for both the free and the pro version. Head on over to Breakdance, follow the link in the description below and select Get Breakdance. Here it will give you an overview of what you get with the different packages. You have free, pro, and then different levels for pro as well as agency. To get a free license, select Get Started. Sign up by entering your email address, your first name and last name, and this will create an account. Once you have signed in, you can go to your dashboard. You have a few other options here as well. We are interested in downloads. The latest version will appear here and select Download. Navigate back to WordPress, Plugins, Add Plugin, and select Upload Plugin. Choose the file, Breakdance 2.6.1 in this case, and select Install Now. In fact, this version 2.6.1 is the same for both the free and the pro versions. The only difference is the license key you enter. Activate plugin. You are created with the Breakdance setup wizard and you are ready to begin working on your site. For the free version, go back into your account, select License Keys, double-click to select the Breakdance free license key, and then copy by right-click Copy, go back, and then paste with Ctrl-V, Command-V. Select Finish Setup. This will give you a welcome screen, and Breakdance will now appear here in the WordPress admin navigation on the left. To view the license settings, Breakdance, Settings. The license appears at the top, and the product is Breakdance Free. You can use the Breakdance free version on unlimited installations of WordPress. And that's a wrap. To support this channel, a heartfelt like would be great. In addition, you can visit us at w4b.io and remember to check out the complete courses for Breakdance.